Yeah, so the initial stage when you're getting dentures is to meet with your denturist or dentist, and they'll talk to you about what to expect, what type of options there are for replacing your teeth, and the style of dentures that will be suitable for you. At that point, if you're in agreement with what they recommended and you've come up with a treatment plan that's going to be suitable for you, the next stage is getting impressions, getting some molds of your missing teeth and your existing teeth, and from that we will convert that and use that information to start making your dentures. Usually it involves initially getting a set of wax rims of your teeth so they can get your bite established, get the smile perfectly designed, and make sure everything's going to be good to go and comfortable. And from there, they'll get a set of teeth that'll be where you'll have your teeth tried in, make sure that you're happy with the look of the teeth and the bite's good. And once you have all that information at the last appointment, they'll convert those into your final dentures, which are made in acrylic, and then those will be inserted. And then after that is a matter of just checking and making sure that the dentures fit well and that everything's functioning good.